Perched on a dramatic triangular site in Bel Air, Stradella Ridge House is a testament to the harmonious blend of architecture and nature. Designed by the renowned firm SAOTA, in collaboration with U.S. architect-developer David Maman and Belgian interior designer Dieter Vander Velpen, this residence is a masterpiece of modern design. The house's exterior reflects the site's unique geometry and orientation. A robust angular form, clad in white aluminum vertical screens, hovers above a monolithic concrete base. This striking contrast between the lightness of the upper floor and the solidity of the lower level creates a dynamic and visually arresting facade. As visitors approach the entrance, the architectural character shifts. Clean lines are fragmented, giving way to angled mass walls that guide the eye towards the main entrance. The material palette also changes, transitioning from the stark contrast of metal and concrete to the warm, earthy tones of travertine. Upon entering, one is immediately struck by the expansive living space, which is oriented towards the breathtaking canyon views. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls seamlessly connect the indoor and outdoor areas, blurring the lines between the two. The architecture carefully frames the landscape, offering privacy where needed while inviting the serene beauty of the canyon into the heart of the home. The interior design, overseen by Dieter Vander Velpen, is equally impressive. Fluid, curved forms in a simple palette of stone, timber, and bronze create a unified and sculptural aesthetic. Natural materials and organic shapes infuse the space with warmth and tranquility. From the sculptural kitchen island to the circular marble bath, each element is a testament to the designer's attention to detail and commitment to creating a truly luxurious and comfortable environment. Stradella Ridge House is a remarkable achievement in contemporary architecture. It is a place where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors are blurred, where the beauty of nature is celebrated, and where modern design meets timeless elegance. This extraordinary residence is a testament to the power of architecture to shape our lives and inspire our senses. In this video, we've explored the stunning Stradella Ridge House, a masterpiece of modern architecture perched on a dramatic cliff in Bel Air. Designed by SAOTA, in collaboration with David Maman and Dieter Vander Velpen, this residence is a testament to the power of architecture to blend seamlessly with nature and create a truly luxurious and inviting living space. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more stunning homes like this one, please subscribe to our channel for more architectural inspiration. We'll be sharing more videos on the latest trends in home design and architecture, so be sure to check back soon. Thank you for watching.